What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at the Dad Life. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. Woo, we have another sneaker unboxing. I told you guys, man, I've been getting a lot of heat in the mail lately. Told you guys to make sure you guys smash that bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. So this unboxing is straight from Seoul, Seattle. Shout out to Seoul, Seattle for always helping your boy out. I've mentioned Seoul, Seattle before. They sell, trade, and consignment sneakers. I want to thank everyone that's been supporting my channel. You guys already know I can't thank you enough. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. We've gained 200 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, man. 200 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, man. You guys been killing it. Let's get to like at least 40 likes. Let's get 40 likes on this video. So make sure you guys smash that like button to support the channel. It really helps the channel grow. Before we actually continue on with this unboxing, I told you guys I do have a YEEZY slide giveaway going on my channel, so make sure you guys check out the description box how to enter. The giveaway will end on June 13th, so you guys have plenty of time to enter this YEEZY slide giveaway. Yes, I'm giving away free YEEZY slides.
Free YEEZY slides.
So make sure you guys jump on it and make sure you guys follow all the rules down in the description box down below. Shout out to Seoul, Seattle one time, man. They honestly always help your boy out, man. Honestly, like for real, like if you live in the Seattle, Washington area, and if you order from them, you literally get the shoe or the item the next following day, because obviously we live in the same state. But so anyways, let's go ahead and throw this aside. As you guys can see, a Jordan 1 box. You guys probably know by the title, because I'm probably gonna name this video the name of the shoe. So like I said, let's go ahead and just unbox this, man. Oh man, oh man. Oof, man. As you guys can see, the Air Jordan Retro 1 in the royal toes. Probably one of the hypest Jordan 1s to come out so far this year. When these first came out, they had a exclusive access for random Nike accounts for a lot of people to actually access them, to purchase them pretty early. But it was funny because when they had this early access come out, these sold out quick. Like when I say quick, like quick. So I was one of those users that actually got an opportunity to cop these early, but your boy ended up passing on it. Like I posted on Instagram, and a lot of you guys DM'd me telling me how stupid I was, and honestly, you guys were not wrong, because I honestly regret not getting these sneakers for retail. I did hit on Foot Locker. They're still yet to come in, so I did double up on these. I was copying a lot of sneakers back and forth. I copped the DMP 6s, I copped the Fire Red 5s when they shock dropped on the sneakers app. When these released early, I just thought I was spending too much money, and then I told myself I'll just wait on release date because I thought it wouldn't be too hard to cop. But honestly, when these came out on release date, it was absolutely crazy. Like these sold out quick on every website. I took a huge L on sneakers app. This is like the biggest regret shoe that I did not buy, that I honestly had the opportunity to buy them for retail. So like I said, guys, go ahead and flame me and hate on me on the comments below. I honestly deserve it. So anyways, getting back to this beautiful sneaker, man. This is a sneaker that honestly, it was just, it was a must cop, honestly. It's honestly a must cop shoe. It's all around a black and white and blue, royal blue shoe. It definitely gives you that Fragment 1 vibe. If you should hold or should you sell, honestly, this is a sneaker you should hold for now. You guys already know this whole pandemic, you know, I've been talking about it many times on my video. As time goes by, like stores and malls are slowly opening, so we'll see what happens if stores and sneaker stores and boutiques get like restocks in their store. I do have a homie that actually works at Foot Action. They are actually giving me updates to see what happens when it comes to the past releases, if they're going to be releasing in their store. There is a possibility, but there is no word yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and say just hold them for now. Right now it's averaging about 260 to 280 depending on your size. Who knows that more of these sneakers will come out in stores once everything opens up. I know in the Washington, Seattle area, none of the malls are open right now, but I know certain stores and malls are open in other states. So for now, I think you guys should hold. Do not sell. Do not panic sell. Just go ahead and hold them. Jordan 1s in general just hold really, really good value. So like I said, that is pretty much it from the unboxing. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about these Air Jordan Retro 1 and the Royal Toes. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like on this video. It really, really means a lot to me. It helps the channel grow. And as well as if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. So each subscriber really counts. And I really, really appreciate each and one of you guys just showing some love and support to the channel lately. So like I said, guys, make sure you guys stay blessed. Wash your hands. And that's pretty much it for me. This is the Dad Life signing in, signing out.